In their root, date and time in Excel are numbers, but displayed like that. So they are formats. In Excel, the earliest date is January 1st, 1900, which is represented internally by the number 1. For instance, the date January 1st, 2021 is the number 44,197, which means this is the number of days passed since January 1st, 1900, including itself. And the last date in Excel is December 31st, 1999. What about the dates before 1900? There is no representation in Excel for dates before 1900. Excel doesn't translate negative numbers in date and time. On the other hand, the latest date in Excel is December 31st, 1999. The spreadsheet contains two columns of identical numbers for comparing the root number with the respective format as date. Select the second column and apply Short Date. Number 1 became January 1st, 1900. 31 became the date 31 of the same month and year. 366 is now the last day of the same year. The next number as date is January 1st, 2021. The fifth number is the latest date, December 31st, 1999. There is no date representation for the last two numbers, so the cells are filled with a hash symbol. The first one exceeds the latest date. The second one is negative. So there is a direct relation between numbers and date. Each integer represents a day, and the fractions are time. Let's get back to the numeric form. Now let's apply a custom date format. Control 1, month, day, year. So you can apply to the numbers the date format you consider appropriate. Since each integer represents a day, and each day is made of 24 hours, then each integer also represents 24 hours. Being time a fraction of a day, time corresponds to a fraction of a number. For instance, if number 1 represents January 1st, 1900, and number 2 represents January 2nd, 1900, 1.5 is 12 a.m. of that January 1st, the half of a day, and 1.75 is 3/4 of the same day, 6 p.m. Let's apply a date and time combined formatting. Month, day, year, and time composed of hours, minutes, and seconds. The integer part transforms into January 1st, 1900, and the decimal part into time. Let's apply this formatting to the above dates. Format Painter, paste formatting. Times are 0 hours, since the numbers are integers. Let's add decimal values, which requires to reapply the numeric format. Randomly adding decimal values. Copying these numbers to the left cells for better understanding the correspondence between numbers and the applied format. Reapplying the format of date and time. The decimal values are transformed into hours, minutes, and seconds. This is the relationship between the numbers and the dates and times. Integers are days, and the decimal values are time. The next lecture is about operations with date and time. Thank you for your attendance.